Hey guys, it's Jabu. Welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm doing 5 yoga poses for a beginner or pro. Let's get into it. The first pose is downward facing dog. It is very good for building your upper body. The second pose is cat-cow pose. It is good for a warm-up at the beginning of a yoga class. The third pose is a chair pose. It is a good exercise for your legs and your core. Okay, so the fourth pose is a butterfly pose. It helps with your digestive system and it also strengthens your hips and your spine. So the fifth pose is a seated forward bend. It also is known as the typical split. It helps build your legs and your spine. It is good for releasing tension and stretching your legs and your back. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to message me on what pose was your favorite. Thank you so much. Bye.